Okay, in today's video, let's find out how we can yield farm, how we can earn over 399% on Sui with Ethereum, or maybe if you go to Turbos, you can earn over 400% APR, or maybe if you go to Citus and you can earn 316% APR. Let's go and let's dig it up. Okay, so Sui recently has been exploding. If you see the chart right now, this is in 1 month chart. You will see that from low around 88 cents, or if you go in 1 year, you will see basically low of 50 cents. Now we talk about $2. That's around 4x from this price, and that is crazy. Okay, let's go and let's see Sui here. So for the last 30 days, the price went up over 140%, and for the last 1 year, over 350%. That is crazy. But what about yield farming? Because not everybody bought the bottom. All right, I've been yield farming Sui for months and months, and my portfolio with Sui for yield farming looking around plus 44 plus 50%. I'm going to show you right now. And before we go anywhere, please understand that nothing here is financial advice. Everything what I'm saying, this video is only my personal opinion. What's mean your money, your problems, your issues. So now this is yield farming. I'm going to show you step by step how you can earn percentage, high percentage, and potentially good percentage APR, because this is not a Ponzi scheme. It's a yield farming. What's mean we are the DeFi business. We are the market makers. We are providing liquidity, and each time when somebody trading buy and sell Sui, they paying tax. So part of this tax we getting paid by providing the liquidity, or you can say by providing the servers, or I call DeFi as a business. So many people ask me, Phil, like how I can yield farm Sui and all the stuff. So let's go and let's dig it up. I'll do step by step for you. If you see here in the last few months time, Sui, this is on DeFi Llama. If you go to chains, you will see that Ethereum chain is number 1 by trading volume. Then we have Tron. I don't like Tron. Then we have Solana, BSC, Arbitrum, Base, and number 7 is Sui. Sui overtake of Polygon, of Avalanche, and now it's went to number 7. It's over 1 billion in TVL, and we're talking about 24 hours volume, $93 million, what is not bad at all. But this is the big number here, 67% up in the last 1 month. Also Base, so the shiny star for chains this year is Solana, Base, and Sui at the moment, and I was hoping for Ton, but Ton is way down right here. All right, so let's go and let's dig it up. So Sui, there are many places where you need to farm. Okay, we talk about yield farming, providing liquidity, concentrate liquidity, and by that you're getting some fees. So VFAT is one of them. So if you go to VFAT, okay, if you go, let me just go from the start. So if you go to VFAT, then you go here, right? You press Base because they have a new pool on Base. Then you click aerodrome and you click concentrate, and you're going to pop up to this site. And if you put here, you're going to come to this site. If you put here Sui, just Sui, you will see they have new Sui pool on Base with 0.3%. Just leave that so I don't get you too confused. Okay, and you will see here that the TVL 425 million or thousands, I don't even know, I believe thousands. Okay, but the APR is 396%. So this is on Base chain, remember that. Okay, so I'm assuming you know how to have your Rabbit wallet and you put some money on Base chain, just send some Ethereum from your exchange directly to your wallet on Base chain, and the fees are basically 0. Okay, and then what you need to do, you need to set your range. So if you set your range minus 4% plus 6%, so if the price go between this range, then you earning fees, and today fees when I'm doing this video is around 400%. This is on APR per year. These fees will fluctuate, will go up and down. It depends what is the trading volume. All right, so hope you follow me. Now next thing what you need to do is very simple. Go to my YouTube and make sure you subscribe and leave me a comment and let me know what do you think about this. All right, so I did a many video in Singapore. Make sure you follow me, check this out. I did over 44 interviews and was crazy, the biggest conference in crypto token 2049. Okay, so next one, So you need to decide, this is up to you. What do you think will be the price range? Do you think the Sui going to go skyrocket more? Maybe just buy and hold. So what I'm doing is I'm always having one bag to hold on for bull bag. That's mean if this go to like 10 bucks, so I can appreciate the price appreciation, but in between time I want to earn fees. What's mean cash flow, daily cash flow. Remember, this is your business. So what you need to do is you set up your range. Let's say if you think this is going to go minus 8% plus 10%, so if this in this range, okay, that's mean this is Ethereum with Sui combining together. That's mean the APR will be around 220%, what is not bad for 18% wide range. But if you want to be more safe and you want to put 12 with 14 with 26% wide range, that's mean both tokens they can go 26% wide range. That means you can earn over 160% APR, what is crazy with Ethereum. Okay, I really like this one. I was going to 18, but for me the price just skyrocketed today from around 190 to 210 when I'm doing this video, so I will just stay away at this moment. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So the next one, the two biggest DEXs for Sui is Turbo Finance and also Cetus. If you go to the Cetus right here, you will see that the total value lock is almost 200 million. This is for Sui network, and also they have for Aptos, but Aptos is very poor at the moment. But they have trading volume for 24 hours over $100 million. So most of the trading volume it is in Cetus and also some in Turbos. I've been yield farming on Turbos, and I like Turbos because you can basically use Turbos to get what will be your percentage APR, approximately APR, and is very, very friendly, use friendly. Okay, 22 million total value locked. We have 16 million in 24 hours. So let's see how much percent we can earn. So here you will see different pools. Remember, if there is no trade 24 hours volume, there are not going to be any fees. So don't just ape. If you see here, let's say, well, this is some new one, big ones. This is all meme tokens, so be careful. If you don't see any trading volume, okay, so be careful. Don't just ape in because the APR says a big one. Okay, so just be aware of it. So what you need to do first, you need to have a wallet. This is on Sui network. I'm assuming you know how to add a wallet. I have Ethos wallet. If you go here, if you go, let's say, to Cetus, if you go to connect, let's go here, connect. Okay, you're going to have all this wallet. Do not never use Google, just never use that. But pick up one of this wallet, do your research wherever you think it's good. MetaMask, I never use MetaMask with Sui. I'm not sure if Sui is supporting on MetaMask, but I need to check that. But I'm using Ethos. Ethos is working so far so good for me. Check the reviews. I think this was also good. I did use this one before. Sui, yet I think this was dodgy one. But make sure you use also a ledger. Okay, use a ledger and have the Sui app inside, and make sure you allow blind transaction. Otherwise, you get stuck. Okay, and I'm assuming you know how to send Sui from your central exchange from your Binance or KuCoin or any exchange where they support Sui, and send directly Sui to Sui your address here. And once we sort it, go to this website. How you can find the website? Well, easy. You can go to CoinGecko. You just type here Cetus, okay, Cetus, or just Cetus, there you go, this is the website, or just Turbo Finance, and it's going to pop up the website. Okay, so what percentage we can earn? You go right here, add liquidity. Okay, look how good user friendly is this. Okay, you go here, okay, and then you say, okay, what will be my estimate APR? You can go here to this little click, and you can go pro. If you go pro, this give you approximately the percentage up and down again, and here you can see the price. So I think Sui is 210 right now, and I don't think will come, let's say, down between maybe 190 the bottom price, and I want to be between 250. Okay, so between 190 and 250. Okay, so this is the range where the trade is going to be. So once the price is in this range, I'm going to earn fees, and if this time I'm going to earn over 700% APR. Isn't that crazy? And if you want to be more conservative, okay, if you want to be, that is minus 10 plus 20, that's 30% wide range. Okay, so let's say, you know what, I want to be very conservative, and I think Sui going to drop down to maybe 175, and it's going to go up to maybe 280, maybe to, you know, 280. You're going to earn only 78%. This is approximately APR. All right, so it depends on what's the trading volume. Today is blowing up, so will be big one. It's bigger. So you see, more wide you put the range, less APR you get. Less wide you put the range, more APR you get. So if somebody is very, you know, is very, how to say, risky, and you want to put this is not going to go, let's say maybe 230, okay, and up to maybe 190, well, the percentage will be almost 200% APR. All right, so again, this is changing each time. It depends what is the trading volume at that time. I don't know how pop up 780 APR, but that was not correct, but this is more correct. Okay, so this is not bad. Minus 10 plus 10%, you're going to get around you know, around, you're going to get around 180, almost 200%. So what you need to do is, here I'm using turbos to see what is my approximately APR, and then I'm going to use Citus to add my liquidity. Why? Because here are the more money, and I trust this platform a little bit more. So what you need to do is you go here, okay, and then once you go there, you can set exactly the same range. Let me just move my face maybe right here, okay, and then you go exactly set the range, okay. You set the range right here. It's exactly, so you put here, I cannot see daylight, so sorry, I cannot, you must watch this one very close. So you put between, let's say 175, and you put up to 250, okay, and it's not, so pool APR says 322, but wherever you do with the price, this pool APR is not going to change. So this is approximately today APR, so but it depends again of the range. That's how much APR you're going to get. Okay, so this is how it's working. And then what you need to do, I have, let's say now some Sui, you have some USDC, so go and trade is going to tell you, okay, you need to add USDC 60% and Sui 37%, and then you add the liquidity, and boom, you are inside. And let me see my results now. All right, so this is the reality. So this is me showing you what I'm doing. Okay, I've been farming. All right, so this is my track my portfolio. I'm trying, there we go. So Sui USDC on Citus. Okay, I'm using my ledger number, account number 10. I add total of $1,000. Okay, now this is, I'm farming this one in 140 days. That's crazy. Now fees APR per month is around 9%, but the good stuff here is I'm over 40% in profit. So remember, when I ape in here, the price was around $1.817, and I need to rebalance several times till I'm farming till is going down, and also this going up, which means I have a lot of impermanent loss. But consider the price losing and everything, I'm still up with the price and everything 43% in this around 4 months time. And I know many people will say, well, that's not a lot. Listen, this is a daily cash flow, okay? 40% in about 3 months time, 4 months time is not bad at all. Okay, that is clear profit. Don't forget, I have my bull portfolio when I'm holding the tokens to a high for the price appreciation. But don't forget, if the price still go down, I'll still be much up. Even the price hit now to $1, I'll just get out of range. I'll be converting to Sui, and I'll still be in very good position. Okay, this is my pool right here. You will see today grow up to $1,052, pending fee $36, and I didn't claim from, what's today, Tuesday, when you watch this video. So I didn't claim for, this is Monday when I'm recording, so for 2 days, I claim on Saturday. So just in 2 days, because of the trading volume is high, I earn $40 of fee. That is 4%. That is crazy. And you will see my position is between 160 to 230. Okay, at the moment it's 210. So I in very nice range, and I'm happy when it's have pullback, when it's go to 230. If it's go skyrocket after 230, maybe I'll just wait for a couple of days to pull back. All right, the video is getting too long. Now, if you have any question, let me know down in the description, in the comment section, and let me know if you want me to cover any other pools just for you. Thank you so much. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.